In this video, I will try to explain what different kinds of decisions there are and how this decision-making process works. I will start by explaining why enterprise should work with improving their decision-making. Moving on, I will tell you about the different types of decisions that are made and how the decision-making process works. Decision-making used to be limited to management, but as information system has made information available to lower levels of businesses, so has the responsibility for making decisions. What this means is that more employees and in lower levels of the company are making decisions that affect the business. This section of the book is about the importance of decision-making and how the process works. Improving decision-making can help companies save money. An example from the book uses a small UK manufacturing company. The company has 140 employees and an annual revenue of 280 million euros. The business starts by identifying a number of key decisions where the quality of the decision might be improved by introducing a new system investment. Some of them are just small routine decisions made on all levels of the company. Looking at one of these decisions, the value saved from improving it might not seem impressive, but when you add up thousands of these small decisions, it will make a difference in annual savings. In this example, the firm with 280 million euros in revenue can save up to 7.5 million euros by improving their decision-making. When talking about decision-making, there are mainly three kinds of decisions mentioned. It's the structured, unstructured, and semi-structured decisions. Unstructured decisions require the decision maker to provide judgment, evaluation, and insight, which is obtained by experience. The unstructured decisions are therefore mainly made by senior executives. Semi-structured decisions are partially structured and partially unstructured. These decisions are often faced by middle managers. They have some structured elements, but still require the decision maker to gather more information, by example, interviewing employees or collect data from external sources. The structured decisions are repetitive and routine decisions, which can be made according to an established procedure. These decisions are especially common within operational management, where the employees face similar decisions many times and therefore have a programmed answer ready so they don't have to treat every problem as a new one. Decision-making is a process consisting of several steps. The first step is intelligence, which includes identifying and understanding the problems in the organization and ask questions like, why does this problem exist? Where in the organization is the problem? And what effect does it have? The next step is design. Design aims to find and explore possible solutions to the identified problem. After that comes choice, which means that the decision maker has to choose one of the solutions identified in the previous step. And finally, it's time for implementation, which is the last step. It means to implement the chosen solution and also to monitor how the solution is working further on. If the chosen solution doesn't work, you return to the previous step as shown in the picture, and this can be repeated as many times as needed. To sum up this chapter, I will give you a simple example of how this process can be used in a company thinking about making a new investment. Every investment decision will be unique, and therefore it fits under the category unstructured decisions. The first part is to identify and understand a problem, and one problem a lot of companies are dealing with today is the need for more efficient communication and information sharing. The next part is to find possible solutions to the problem, which in this case would be to invest in a new information technology. Then it's time to choose the best available information technology based on factors like payback time, net present values, and profitability index. The last part is the implementation, which means to try out the chosen solution. The company will monitor how well it works, and if they're not happy with the results, they can just reverse one step and try another information technology until they are satisfied with it.